I got a request of build your one-off color, and a guy sent me this photo and says he wants it about as close to this as possible. I know it's a factory color, but he's looking for a discount, and I'm going to use the leftover Tamco toners that I have. So what I'm going to do is start with some Lake Blue. And again, since this is a one-off color, I don't really care about weighing it, so I'm just doing it in the office because it looks prettier with all the stuff in the background. So I'm going to do it quick and show you guys kind of the thought process behind it. So we're going to start with some blue, which is kind of like a purplish blue, as you can see. And then I'm thinking some white pearl. So I'm just going to tuck that here. Some white pearl, probably quite a bit of the white pearl, and then I'll tweak the blue after we mix that up. Let's just mix that up. That's pretty freaking close. Just needs a little more blue, it looks like. It's pretty close. This has a little bit more green to it. Let's add a little more blue and see if that makes it a little richer. And then I have another different blue over here too that might take away some of that green hue. Let's try that. That definitely richened it up a little. Pretty close. Let's try a little bit more pearl since we still need quite a bit. And then I'm going to tweak it with this one, which I believe is deep blue. So this might deepen it a little bit. I might have to go grab a little bit of a brighter green blue style pearl just to get a little bit closer. But this will get us pretty close. Go. Now that should lighten it up, which is kind of what I think we need to do. Ooh, that's pretty close. It's pretty close. Alright, so I went to grab some green pearl, or blue-green pearl, but I'm actually, after I'm looking at this more, especially on the side, that blue is pretty good. I think if we add just a little bit more of this blue, and then I would say we're almost there, because right now it's just a little bit too silvery from the white pearl, so I think with a little bit more blue, we'll give it a little bit more saturation, and I think that'll be a close match. And again, the good thing about this is I just have to get close. If I wanted to get really precise, I would be taking my time and actually weighing out all this. But again, I can't replicate these colors anyways because all of these toners are going away. I'm trying to just get rid of them at this point, while also helping a lot of people and, you know, making my money back from all of the money I spent. That is pretty good. Still a little bit more blue. Probably just gonna top this off with it. And that's gonna be pretty close. I'll leave a little bit of room in case I need to tweak it with more pearl, but I would say that's gonna be pretty close. That's pretty good. So once again, that is pretty good. If I throw a light on it, that's going to be really close actually. So I'm going to call that one good. I'm just going to top that off with a little bit of binder, just that way he gets a full amount. Normally these colors are actually cut 25% with binder anyways. So let's just top that off. And that color is done. So really all this color is going to cover so well because it's 99% toner, but that's a good blue. So that is how I make it. I can also do this for you if you want a repeatable color. I would just use my current toners, candies, pigments, that kind of stuff. So I can make any color you want. If you're okay with a one-off, I'm doing a huge sale. They start at $250. This specific one was, I think, $300 because they added pearl. So for $300, you're getting an amazingly good quality, well-covering, beautiful color, but of course, you can't replicate it. So that being said, if you are going to be painting a full vehicle, which I know he is, but this is a small car, I'd recommend getting 2 gallons at a time, and then I would make that in a 5-gallon bug. That way, both 2 gallons are exactly the same. But hope you guys enjoy it.